Critical update on Bitcoin, guys. Smash the like button if you'd like to receive these updates. The quicker you smash it, guys, the quicker you'll get the next update in your feed, etc. So let's pay attention to a new technical no one's talking about right now. The key feature I want to focus on is the 30-day moving average. Why? Because we're currently coming into contact with it as we speak. 30-day moving average. It's literally just on the precipice. This is going to be a defining moment for Bitcoin. Let's talk about the preceding action thus far in the year, guys, from December to January to February, March, and April, guys, carrying everything up to the 64,863.10. That's 65,000, essentially all-time high. It was until we hit 67,000. Very nice. And in terms of the price action and the interaction with the moving average, we can just see from January, direct hit. If you can see this, beautifully done. Direct hit onto the moving average. That 30-day moving average in December was a huge move up into January. That was a colossal move. Let's just go ahead and measure that. It was 125% move in 27 days. We flipped the moving average, used it as a resistance for a moment, inverse head and shoulders, moved to the upside again, but it was definitely a key figure, I'd say a key technical focal, right, that we used. A 93% move after that. We came into contact strongly in February, late February, with that moving average again. What did we get, guys? Another 35% move, diminishing, I'd say, return since that, since this frustrated event as we work towards that 65,000. Still, what was in play? The moving average. We can say it was hit again, and then about a 23% move. Once it flipped and we turned into, essentially it turned into resistance, that became quite an event. Absolutely, we called that, guys, in terms of some individuals that I was teaching during that time. You guys know we called that what's up, right? Absolutely. Never want to be a part of that severe negative price action. And also never want to be overexposed in your positions. Right now, we're really in a key feature. We can analyze the most recent price action wherein we did flip the moving average, turned it into resistance for a moment with a double top, which gave us a clear indication of negative pricing. I'm going to say that. We looked at this pricing feature previously where a double bottom gave us, guys, some positive pricing, then a double top, some negative pricing. A macro double bottom, positive pricing. We're really looking for a feature like that. Right now, I would say that we are lined out somewhat in a position to where we have kind of a double top. Potentially, I would like to see that turn into an ascending triangle. I'd really like to see that moving average hold and us turn that into an ascending triangle. Now, I may be able to scale back and see if we can get into, let me see if I can pull this up. It'd be a miracle if we can. If not, I have to redraw real quickly, and I'll probably have to. I think I need to not. There we go, guys. Very nicely done. Want to make sure that you guys are aware of the Fibonacci's. How do we draw them? From the point of breakout of this macro bull flag. We haven't backed off the 105,000, just so you know. That is the target, upline target, guys, of the bull flag. Keep that in mind. I have not backed off of that. In terms of the breakout of this bull flag formation top line resistance, guys, we are up and over that. We have a beautiful breakout. We caught Bitcoin at, guys, underneath $30,000, $29,750. Very, very nice. Telling everyone it's a good time to buy at the low 30s, and huge price action. Release cut around 50, re-entry at 45, potential to double down into your position at 40,000. And what I'll say about the current price action, when we look at the Fibonacci's and these candlesticks, guys, we draw these Fibonacci's to the top of the wicks. That is our strategy, in case you don't know. It shows a perfect hit along the 50% retracement. These are your pricing targets. Include always, you need to include what? Make sure you have that 65th, and make sure you have what? Make sure you have that custom 86. We love that 86, and of course that 65th is that golden pocket. These are your pricing targets. Let's go get them. Don't be afraid of the market. Never be overexposed, and always be prepared to double or triple down. This small break down into the moving average, I'm going to tell you guys, we are going to expect higher prices. We are expecting a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in terms of the wave formation. It's indicated. A lot of things are in a rising wedge in alts, etc. I have noted that. The 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 move here, beautifully well done. This 1, 2, 3 would leave us short. So to the extent that it would be left short technically, I don't feel that that would be indicated in terms of Bitcoin's expression in the overall market. I think it's going to want to behave very technically soundly for all the new institutional investors such as JP Morgan's wealth clientele division, etc. So shout out to all the institutional investors who may be watching this. Good luck on Bitcoin. Never be overexposed. We'll talk to you soon. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.